What are mental wellness practices?
Practice mindfulness. Practice of being fully present in each moment. Daily journaling helps clear your mind, release stress, and process emotions. Engage in physical activity. It releases endorphins, which boost mood and reduce anxiety. Dancing is a must, as it improves both physical and mental vitality. Practicing gratitude shifts focus to the positive, increasing overall happiness and reducing stress. Limit digital distractions. More screen time can increase stress and reduce attention span. Get quality sleep. It restores both the mind and body, reducing anxiety and improving mood. Connect with others. Positive relationships provide emotional support and reduce feelings of isolation. Pet companionship. Spending time with pets like lovebirds or dogs can provide joy, reduce stress, and even encourage physical activity.
For further guide, visit the link in description.